When you open your After Effects, when you click on After Effects, this is what you'll see. You'll see the new project, open project. So but we can't open the project because you're just starting, so we click on the new project. So when you click on the new project, this is what you will see. Hi everyone, my name is Anne from What More Edits. Today I'll show you what workspaces in Adobe After Effects are and why they matter. But before we dive in, what's a workspace? A workspace is simply how your panels are arranged, your layout. For example, this whatever you're seeing here, this is our workspace. Whatever you see on your screen, it's our workspace. And we have the main panels. When you look at on our left here, this is the project panel, and this is where you'll find, this is where all your files and the composition stays. When you come to the middle here, we have the composition panel, and this is where you see your project. So basically whatever you'll be working on, you'll be seeing it here. And below here is the timeline panel, and this is where the animation happens using the keyframes. So if you want to find them, you can basically come on top here, click on Windows, come to Workspace, click on Workspace, and you'll see all the panels here. You'll see all the panels here, and you'll be seeing options like animation, color, default effects, and so on. And each one of them changes how your screen is organized depending on what you're working on. For example, if you click on the animation workspace, which focuses on the timeline, likewise if you come to the color workspace, it will open which opens the color tools. So all the color tools, you'll find them basically here. And if you want to move these panels, to your liking, you can basically just be dragging them like this one. If I want to enlarge the project panel, I can just drag that, drag it like that if I want to enlarge it. Likewise, if I want to decrease it, I can just reduce it like that. So basically you can keep on changing them, moving them to your likings. If you want to move this, if you want to move that and like that, you can basically do that. If you want to decrease, you can basically just do that. Drag it, keep dragging them into your liking. And let's say if you want to save this setup, let's say you want to save the whole of this setup, you can basically just come on top here, click on Window, come to Workspace, and you'll come to Save as a new workspace. And if you want, let's say if things get messy, things are really messed up, and you want to reset it, you still come back to the Windows workspace and you click reset, and you will reset it. Or if you want to edit the workspace, whatever you want to do, you can still do it still under here, under the same menu. Yeah, that is it for now. Now that you know how to control your workspace in After Effects, your foundation before any editing begins here. So you just need to familiarize yourself with the workspaces, with all the panels, and everything will be easy for you. All right, till next time. Thank you for watching. Follow What More Edits for more short editing tutorials. Till next time. Thank you.